Hey, students of Idiot Tuition, this is Mr. Bern Ong. All right, I'm going to show you some of our very new features that you need to know before you progress on with our tutorial classes. Let's check this out. All right, so if you click on the live tutorial, bam, sound effect, huh? All right, it will take you to this page. Right, from tutorial 5 onwards, children, please check this out. I'm taking the P5 tutorial 5 as an example. All right, so I click on the worksheet here. Whoa, look, there is an additional instruction here. Upload solution image for question 4 and 5, which means that question 4 and 5, you have to show the working, the step-by-step working. All right, but before that, a quick example, for example, this question here. Some people don't know how to key in the fraction. You have to key in the fraction. For example, this question, the answer is 6/7, right? You cannot key in 6/7, right? The system will not accept it. All right, what must you do? You must click on this little symbol here. Click on it. Choose the fraction, and the numerator, you click 6. The denominator, you key in 7, and you click on the add. Click on the insert, bam, it appears here. That is the correct way to do it, okay? And remember, today, the most important feature that I want to cover is about the what? The uploading of the solution, right? So for example, question 4 and 5, oh, this is like question 5. What kind of question is this? We have 1 total, 2 total, and 2 individual information. This one is something like what we call guess and check or supposition method. So what should I do? All right, I should actually take out my notebook, right? Or maybe a paper and a pen. And you start to write down the working step by step into your exercise book. Then what do you do next? You take a picture. You take a picture with your camera phone. All right. So you will see something like that. Nice. All right. So this is my solution. I can use different color. All right. Because my teacher is going to help me mark and check my solution. So I want to make it clear enough for them to read and maybe a little bit more colorful for them so that they can have a better eyesight in future. All right. So down here, the first step, write down the solution steps on a piece of paper and pen. Number 2, take a clear picture of the solution step with a camera phone. All right, that's what I covered already. So after you take a picture, right, this picture will actually go into your photo or gallery, depending on what phone you're using. All right, I assume most of you are using these 2 brands of phone. If you do not have a phone, borrow from your daddy or mommy. All right, tell them that you need to submit the solution so that your teacher will better understand your steps. So please borrow the phone from your daddy and mommy. They will understand, right? Okay, after you take the picture already, the picture will actually appear in the photo or gallery. Click on the photo or gallery, look for the picture, and you will click on the picture, and you can actually click on the share. This is the share button, all right, the 3 dots with the 2 lines, all right, and you can actually email to yourself, or maybe to email your daddy or mommy, or just WhatsApp yourself. All right, so there is this portion whereby you can choose who to WhatsApp to or who to email to. You can WhatsApp or email to yourself, or you can also WhatsApp to your daddy or mommy. All right, so maybe if you're holding your daddy's phone, you WhatsApp to your mommy and vice versa. All right, let your mommy know that you're actually doing some math, right? Yes. All right, so after you WhatsApp, right, the computer or the phone actually have this record of this picture. All right, then you can actually activate your email from your computer or your WhatsApp from your computer, and you can actually download the picture. All right, so after you download the picture, right, you can actually save it in a folder called 88 Math Solution. So for example, I save it under 88 Math Solution. Can you see? I save it in this folder. So I double click it and I actually save the file. All right, I save the file as I rename it and I save it as P5, T5, Q5, right? Because there will be a lot of all these solutions. So it's better to rename them so that you'll be able to know which picture to which question this belongs to. So I was doing the P5, remember? and this is tutorial 5. We are starting in tutorial 5, and this is for question 5. Cool? All right. So after that, once this is in your computer, you can actually go back to here. Yes, you click on the upload solution image. Click on the choose file and go and search. All right, search for the file, the folder just now, 88 math solution. Yep. Double click, and this is the picture. P5, T5, Q5. Double click on it, and it will appear here. Bam! Wow. All right, scroll down. Okay, it will appear here. All right, so you can use the mouse to actually highlight the important part, which is I just want this portion, right? Yeah, so you make it neater for your teacher to see. All right, so just this portion would do. And I click on the submit. You see, it appears here. Beautiful, nice handwriting, I know. And on top here, you must key in the main answer, 32. They are looking for how many boys were there. 32 is the answer. Down here, 32 it shows. All right, and you click on next. You continue to do on question 6, continue to do on question 7, and click on the finish button. So as you can see just now, this is being marked correct already, right? Because I use the what? I use the latest symbol to key in the numerator and denominator after selecting the fraction key, the fraction tab. Yes, and also for question 5, look, oh, my beautiful handwriting. All right, and down here, the 32 boys, it appears here and it's being marked correct. All right, so for question 4 and 5, for this particular worksheet, you're supposed to submit the solution, the step-by-step, so that your teacher will be able to understand and to see whether do you really understand how it works. Cool? All right, that is the latest that you need to do from tutorial 5 onwards. All right, you can do it. Let's go.